K1, K2, hello. This month we will learn about animals. Okay, we will learn about the types of animals. We have three types of animals. There are farm animals, pet animals, and wild animals. What is farm animals? Farm animal is animal that we are usually keep in the large number by farmer. Okay, and pet animals is animal that we can keep in our house, like a dog or cat. And wild animal is animal that we usually find in the zoo, like horse, like zebra, like lion. There are wild animals. Okay, you can difference, right? Okay, in this worksheet there are three columns: farm animals, pet animals, and wild animals. And down here we have various of animals in here. Okay, and all you have to do is classify each animal based on the types, okay, including farm animal, pet animals, or wild animals. And before you classify, you must to cut each picture in here. You must to cut each animals one by one, and then pass to the right column. Okay, based on your opinion, this animal include in farm, pet, or wild animals. Okay, K1, K2, you can do it, right? Okay.